In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create a lookup field from one object to another object so you can easily select records from that other object to associate to your records on the primary object, so to speak. So in this case, I'm working in a Trailhead playground org, and I've got a custom object I created called computers, and each record is a different type of computer. So computer name is, I guess, what will be searchable on the other object, and associated with that is a whole range of details about that specific computer. And I want to make this a lookup field on the contact object. So from somebody's contact record, I want to create a new field where someone can look up the records of this computer's list and connect one of these computer items with that contact record. So with the contact object open, you want to go edit object. And then we're going to find the fields and relationships section once this loads and go to create a new field. So contact object manager is opening. I'm going to select fields and relationships. Once that loads, I'm going to select new field. From the options, I'm going to select lookup relationship and then go next. And here's where we search for the object that we want to look up. So it's going to have a mixture of standard and custom objects. I want to look for my computer object. There it is. Go next. So field label will be computer. Field name is fine. I'm going to skip the description just for speed purposes. Relationship name is contact. That's fine. Now, security-wise, I'm happy for it to be visible on all profiles. All page layouts is also fine. In terms of the related list table, so this is saying if I'm looking at the computer object, what do I want to see when I look at the contacts related list? So I'm going to say contact computer. Excuse my typo. I'll save that. And now we have created our new lookup relationship. So once that's finished saving, I'm going to go back to the contact object. So I'm going to do a hard refresh on my browser just so that it can sync those changes and make sure it's getting a new view of the contact object. Once that refreshes, I'll open up a contact record and double check that my computer, so PC. Once this loads, I'll select a contact. So if I look on the contact details page, my new field should show up. So I've got computer here. So if I go edit that field, I should now be able to look up. So I know that all the model numbers start with PC. So I might try and choose this one, PC15. Excuse me. So if I start searching for PC-1, I'll do a search just so it brings up all the available options. So this will show me all the records. I'm going to go 1500. So now that record is connected to the contact. So if I hover over that, I don't have the full panel configured yet. So I'm not seeing the other record details, but I can now click in there and I can see that here is all the details of that selected computer. And here's the related list. So I can say, okay, if I want to look at this computer model, I can see which contacts have got that there. So that's a real quick tutorial how to create a lookup. What's important to keep in mind that in terms of what you see to search on, I'll just go back a page. In terms of the text that you can search, it's always going to be that first name field. I know I got caught when I created objects early in my career where I wanted one of the other fields to be what was searchable or what I was searching for, but keep in mind that it is the name field of an object. It's going to be the searching field that you search and connect to the other object. Hope that helps. Bye.